A lot of times people will hire somebody like a sitter to take care of a parent. Are there mistakes that are made when that's done as well?
Basically, they make three mistakes. One is they do not consider the potential liability of having that caregiver in a home. Secondly, they don't consider the tax consequences of paying that caregiver. And third, they don't do any planning considering down the road qualifying for government benefits. When the person is hired, they have a tendency to treat them as independent contractors and not as employees. So they're treating this person as an independent contractor. Now, they don't withhold on that person. So they're not paying the Social Security, not withholding the taxes. Now, that person probably is an employee. Now, if that person's an employee, what's the consequences? The IRS is going to say that they are liable for the employer and employee share of the Social Security tax and also the income taxes that they failed to withhold. So that can be a potentially large liability. But that's not the largest liability. The largest liability could arise when that caregiver is lifting the parent into the bed or taking the parent out of the bed or putting them into a wheelchair and hurts their back. Say they rupture a disc. Now we all know, or people that are in the personal injury area, know that a ruptured disc can be several millions of dollars. Now, there's two things. The state of Louisiana says that if you have an employee, it's a criminal offense not to have them covered with workman's comp. You've been treating that person as an independent contractor, so you don't have workman's comp insurance on them. And your homeowner's insurance probably doesn't give you any coverage. So now you may be looking at a very, very large liability that could wipe you out financially.
If you're not wiped out already. Scary, really scary.